How are you surviving summer heat in Trieste?
Well, we were swimming actually today. It was very nice. And yesterday we've been in the city where the sun doesn't shine because it's very hot here. Yes.
What about you?
We were all the time together, so I did the same.
Well, it is really hot, but we're trying to stay out of the sun as much as possible. And well, today we actually went to the beach, so that was nice. Even though the water is really warm, not really refreshing, but yeah, staying in the shade.
Personally, today is not too hot, so it's very easy. I don't feel so much hot, so I'm okay today.
Yeah, me too. Like, we are going to do a walk and it's fine. And we are from Padua and it's not near the sea, so it's like much hotter. And
it's easy. You can take an ice cream or stay at home and survive the heat here by like eating cold things and going inside, because usually when you go in a store or something like that, they have AC, so it's really not that big of a deal, but it's really hot here.
Surviving summer heat in Trieste.
Actually having some nice Aperol Spritz and some really cold drinks. I think that's the main survival guide, I would say.
Well, we went swimming today, so yeah, the sea was pretty cool.
A lot of water. And as soon as you get the opportunity, you need to take a swim. I think those are my three top tips.
With skirts, I don't know, yeah.
A Trieste c'hanno l'aria condizionata dentro e quando sono per strada corrono più che possono.
Still, we are okay at the moment, but it's not too hot. It's hotter where we live. We live in the center of Italy.